1967 Ford F100 Ranger Custom Cab pickup here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This is originally a California built truck in San Jose, and then delivered, DSO would be Seattle, so West Coast truck, and it shows. We're going to get into that in just a little bit. Underneath the hood, 352 FE V8, and that is the original size engine that this truck would have been produced with. Automatic transmission, Cruise-O-Matic. Paint coat of A, Raven Black, and a lot of this paint appears to be original. We're going to get into that in just a little bit too. First, let's take a look at the chrome, the bright work up front on this one. Now, still pictures. Check them out. You'll be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay, bed of the truck. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. All right, giving you a pretty good shot of that hood. So up front, you can see we do have some rock chips. This paint, again, a lot of it seems original. It's almost got a little bit of that patina feel to it. So you can see how solid this truck is. There's not a lot of body work that's been done to it. It's one of those trucks, drive it the way you see it, or tell you what, you want to take this thing to the next level, you got a great truck to start with. Again, California built, West Coast truck, DSO. Paint perfect? No. Does it still show nice? Absolutely. And you can see what you're starting with. It's riding on Vision wheels, BF Goodrich radial TAs, as you can see, and those are new, just within the last year. I'll get into some more things that have been done to this truck as far as service work. First, let's take a look up and down this passenger side. You can see these panels nice and straight. Around the wheel wells, solid. Lower rockers, also solid. And there's no major, dents, dings. Yeah, you got a few light scratches, chips here and there. But again, overall, you can see what you're dealing with. That's metal. It's not all rusted through, not full of corrosion. Look above the rear wheel wells. Solid bed in the truck. And we'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Jason's going to take it for a drive at the end of the video. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See, the rear bumper has been replaced. New chrome on that. This trim piece right here in the tailgate, there is an extra one of those that will be shipped with it, as well as a battery tie down. You'll see that in the still pictures, and once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. All right, some of the recent service work done to this. I mentioned the new wheels and tires. It's 2023, I believe, so date codes on the tires. Rear brakes, recently done. Hanger bearing, recently done. Also, new carb and rear end seals. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these late 60s Ford trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online right off our showroom floor. Now you can see driver's side, very similar to that passenger side as far as condition. Around those wheel wells, lower rockers, again, cab corners. Many times you just see those are gone. So kind of cool having the original paint, or very much of the original paint on this truck. So again, if you want to keep it the way it is and drive it, do it. Want to take it to the next level, you know what you're starting with. Let's take a peek at this interior. Very stock looking interior. Doesn't look like a lot would need to be done with this. Pairs of seats have been recovered. Kind of a brick color, maroon color, vinyl cloth combination. Burgundy carpeting. Aftermarket stereo was installed, kind of one of those retro sound stereos, and it does work. Let's fire this up. This truck sounds great. It's got a mild cam to it from what I can tell by listening. Again, 352 FE block. I've had the wipers working. Got this radio working.
Stayed awake throughout the entire meal. And they graduated this thing without the
So stereo sounds good, works well. Dash looks good. All right, as far as gauges, that was a cold start, so I would expect temp to be up. Oil pressure, fuel gauge appears to be working, and alternator battery. Door closes nicely. Let's take a listen. Like I said, good sounding truck. Let's slip up to the front, take a peek underneath this hood, and then we'll wrap up the walk around portion of this video, but stick around to the very end. Like I said, Jason's gonna take it for a drive, show you how this thing goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. There's a peek at the underside of the hood, and engine bay. A little more modern electronic ignition on there also. It's like newer fuel pump. You can see new carb, that air cleaner. Does have headers. That thing's got a great sound to it. Aluminum radiator. So like I said, one of those, drive it the way you see it. Take it to the next level. Either way, nice truck that won't break the bank. 1967 Ford F100 Ranger Custom Cab. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time looking through all those still pictures. Original California, San Jose built trucks. Started life on the East Coast in Seattle. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1967 Ford F100. When trucks were trucks. This one's all black with some nice dark red seats and carpet. Looking primarily factory for the most part, except for the retro sound style radio fitting in the factory slot on the dash. That also looks really good. Turn signals both working. Accelerations as you would expect. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy for anybody to drive. Steering wheel is canted slightly to the right, but that doesn't affect performance at all.
That was just a dream.
Stereo sounds good, nice and clear. You can drive your 67 Ford with clear audio on your favorite tunes. The alternator gauge is right in the middle. Factory fuel gauge is a little less than half. Temperature about a quarter of the way up, and the oil pressure is about half. Great visibility from this truck. Lots of headroom, lots of elbow room, and yet it's not huge like a lot of modern trucks. One thing I like about the old ones, the simplicity of being a truck. Corners, well, transmission does kick down when you put your foot down, and acceleration is good. Seat in very good condition. Cloth with vinyl in the center. Just a great running F100. Don't see them this solid very often. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about it at uniqueclassiccars.com.